Welcome to our iTrax installation video. Step 1. Remove the two poles from the barrel system. Step 2. Fill the barrel with water, or you can use sandbags. Step 3. Once barrel is filled, you can attach the middle pole by sliding it on top and securing it with the bolt and nut. Step 4. Install the top pole onto the middle pole by sliding it on top and securing it with a bolt and nut. Step 5. Install solar panel bracket with 3 screws on the side of post facing south. Step 6. Install camera bracket on the side of the post facing center of the view you want the camera to monitor. Step 7. Install cellular antennas on the side of the box. Step 8. Power camera on by flipping the toggle switch on the opposite side of camera. Step 9. Place camera on camera bracket and align holes on the 2 brackets. Step 10. Using 2 provided machine screws, secure camera to camera bracket. Step 11. Place the solar panel on the solar panel mounting bracket. Using the horizontal bar on the back of the panel, make sure holes are aligned with the bracket. Step 12. Using 2 provided machine screws, secure solar panel to bracket. Step 13. Connect the solar panel cable to the camera. Your installation should be complete. For more information or any questions, contact us.